everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, in this episode, if you are an FPV pilot and you do not have a backpack, this is the episode for you because I have a brand new backpack here from Auline and they are telling me it is the best backpack in the world. Now, I have a lot of backpacks and let me just show you, they're all behind me. So I have different FPV backpacks because if you watch my channel, you'll see I fly almost every consumer drone imaginable, and that includes FPV drones. So this one here is an old one I have. This is the Beta Flight backpack. They don't make it anymore, so if you can find one of these, you're lucky. I use this for my digital drones, so DJI drones and everything else that's digital that fits in it for the FPV hobby. So when I grab this backpack, everything inside is the DJI FPV goggles, the radio, and the drones, and every conceivable tool for digital is included in this backpack. So I leave this on my walls, and let me show you another one. So another one I have here is this one here, and this one I use for analog FPV drones. So if I have my Fat Shark goggles or any type of analog drone, this is my analog FPV backpack. And I've had it for a long time and it serves me very, very well. So everything's ready to go on my wall for FPV analog flying. Then I have another one back here, and this one I recently reviewed and it's on my channel. This one glows. It's got a light in it and it glows any color you want. It's pretty cool. So this one, I actually use this one for my digital stuff as well because I have a lot of digital stuff. I have about 3 sets of DJI FPV goggles. So this one I have it set up for digital as well because there's a lot of digital drones on the market today. So this one here has been pretty darn cool. I've never had an FPV backpack that can handle both digital and analog. In other words, I can fit both radios in, both goggles in, all my tools, and a pile of other things I normally take to the field. Until now, this one by Auline is the beast, and let me show you it. So on the outside, you have 4 straps. I don't know if the camera's picking it up here. I got so many cameras around here. So as you can see, I have 2 drones on the outside right now, and on this side here, I always take a water bottle with me, and I have my toolkit over here. Now, the cool thing is that I like on this, where is my little zipper, is that you open this up, and in there I have more tools because when you're in the FPV hobby, you need an awful lot of tools because you're going to crash and burn an awful lot of times. And if you're right-handed and trying to close the zipper with a left hand, thank God for these little things they have down here. Now, what makes their backpack a little bit different than other ones is that they use a lot more metal parts. So they have magnetic metal clips for these drones that you attach over here. I'll show you a close-up of the magnetic metal clip. You can see it right here. So it's pretty cool, and it ensures that everything stays secure. So now I've shown you that. I've shown you one side. Let me show you the back. The back is all padded as you would expect. You also have the shoulder straps. It also has that geeky thing. Let me show you. I call it geeky thing. Oh, let me pull this out. This goes around your waist and it's got place to put stuff in. It's like, you know, like a belly, I don't know, a travel vacation type thing that you wear around your waist, and it connects from this side to this side. I do not use it because I find it looks geeky. When I carry a backpack, I always sling them over one shoulder. I'm not really a 2-shoulder guy. So let me just spin this around and show you what else. So on this side here, you have 2 little pouches. And what do you think I use them for? I use them for props because you're always changing props. So both of them are just filled with props. And I put a particular type of prop in them size because I only use this backpack for certain size drones. Now, next thing I want to show you is on the back as well. Let me go back here. There's a zipper over here. This is where I put my landing pad. You always see me with this type of landing pad when I'm filming drones or whatever, and over someplace I have it here. If you want, you could put in a laptop as well. That's a MacBook, and it fits in there nicely as well. So you can take that with you to the field. The zippers, I really like the zippers on this because of the way they're designed with these little things. Look, I'm backwards and I can open them so simply. So this backpack is impressing me. What did I break? Let me show you the bottom of the backpack. There we go. We have the little grippies, which is good for traveling. And now let's get to some other parts. Okay, so let's go to the top. To the top, you have another spot here where you can attach things if you wish. I just use it as a handle. You have a handle back here for lifting it up, and you have one here. You also have, if I open this up, this is pretty cool in this backpack. Separate place up top for your radio. So up here, I have the DJI radio, and you can see it just straps in. There's a big elastic here. So you just pull it out. Let me see. I'm doing everything backwards. Pull it out, take it out, and shove it back in, and you can put the gosh, doing this upside down. There we go. But this is the neat part. See this stuff here? These are little Velcro things. They come off. So what you do is whatever you stick in this area, you look and you go, well, I don't want my little joysticks to get knocked around. You can take these Velcro things, figure out where your joysticks are, and then you stick them on here. So you see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And then you match them up to whatever radio you have. So when you close it, everything stays secure, nothing flops around. All right, let's get to the inside. Now this is one of these backpacks that you're gonna put on the ground flat like this, and then you open up the top and, can you see me? And then you open up the top and flip it out like that. So first thing you do before opening the top is disconnect the magnetic straps so you can take your drones off. You could leave them on if you want, but I don't like doing that. So I'm just gonna push my drones over here on the side. Doesn't matter where the top, can you still see me? So then I gotta get this underneath the microphone so I don't smash it. All right, so now we're getting to the inside. So I should be able to lift this and put it sideways and show you everything. Hopefully you can see everything in here without it falling out. So first things first, let's start on this side. I have another toolkit because you need screwdrivers and stuff like that. So it's my screwdriver toolkit. And this is why I'm telling you this is the first backpack I've had that is digital and analog. So let's go over here. I've got DJI FPV goggles right in here in this pouch, and I have my Fat Shark goggles right there. You've already seen that I have a digital radio. Well, you've already seen that I have the digital radio in the top, the DJI radio, but look at this. I've got an analog radio here, and I have the Crossfire antenna on it, which is kind of long. And the cool thing is you can design these to any size you want and make them any way you wish, because each of these pieces here comes out. And let me show you. I have a pile more of them here that I have not stuck in. They give you a pile of them. So you can really design it any way you wish. You can see down here I have my Lipo batteries that you take to the field. So I have them in Lipo bags, and I have 2 of them. You can fit quite a bit of Lipo batteries. Over here, you can put drones inside if you want. You don't really have to. I like them on the outside. I have the smaller drones on the inside, and they fit in nice. There's one right here. And if I lift this up, I've designed it so I lift this up, and I have a second one down here. And these are both digital drones. And the ones on the outside, I think, no, I had them all digital. So yeah, so look at all the stuff that I've stuck in here. It's just insane. So let me show you what else comes with this. That's not all. You also get this item with it here. And this item, I scratched my head, I didn't know what it was. It's for when you put your Velcro thingies on the inside, just so that they don't stick to the walls and everything when you're trying to get them in. You can put this on a wall and then put the Velcro thingy on the opposite wall so it won't stick to this side, and then pull it out and it fits in nicely. I didn't really need it, but they include it. You also get a set of stickers, and you also get this rain cover. Now the rain cover is something I usually don't use in any of these backpacks, but I leave it in the backpack. And here I'll show you a video of this here backpack outside with all the gear I just showed you, with the rain cover on and drones on the back. This rain cover fits over the drones. So here's, well, you're looking at it right now. This is video of this out in the rain, and it does stay quite dry. Now the material that this is made of is like polyester, and I don't know, let me hang on a second. It says the lining is 100% polyester, and the fabric is 85% polyester and 15% polyurethane. So yeah, lots of interesting stuff. It says that it has a capacity of 22.5 liters. I will show you a graphic right now of the dimensions. You should see the dimensions as you're looking at this video. So I have used this now for about a month, but I haven't used it for a month straight. I've used it on and off because I have all the other backpacks, but I've been trying it out to see if I really like it. And I do really like it. I'm finding I'm using it more and more. So it is a backpack you'll see me using more and more in the future. I'd highly recommend it because this is really good. I love the capacity on the inside and the way you can manage everything yourself and putting your little radio up top. I like it when it's a separate compartment for the radios. That's really good. All right, so I'm going to put links below this video to where you can find this backpack. And I think it's priced correctly for, you know, what you get, this type of backpack. FPV backpacks are usually very expensive. And the reason they're expensive is because they have to make them extra tough so that they last long, because they know there's a lot of abuse in the FPV community. And if you watch my videos, you see that every FPV backpack I own, I throw in the back of my Jeep, and I throw it on the ground in all the reviews, and it's in wet grass, and it's in rain, it's in mud, it's in beach sand, everything. And they all stand up to years and years of abuse and use. 2 of the backpacks I showed you in this video, you can no longer buy anymore, but the one that lights up, That one there came to me at the start of the summer, and I've used it, and it's still in good shape, so that's a pretty good one too. And this one here is now my new favorite because I can put digital and analog in it, so that's pretty cool. Check the links out below and go find this backpack. If you have questions on it, just write to me because I've been using it now for a little while, and I kind of like it. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video, and we'll catch you in the next one with many more reviews. Oh, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're wondering why I always wear 2 t-shirts in my videos, it's because with all these studio lights, it gets really warm in here, and it's pretty chilly down here, so I gotta stay warm. All right, guys, catch you in the next video. Bye!